Hello, welcome to Algebra 2 CST release question number 83. It says, what are the first four terms in the expansion of 1 plus 2x to the 6th power? So first four terms, we just need to figure out the first four. There's actually going to be 7. We just talked about in question 82, I'll go back to that here briefly, that there's always one more term than the power itself. So there's going to be 7 terms, 6 plus 1. We just need to figure out, though, the first four. And we can figure those out by using, this looks like the 6th row, because that's matching up with your power, the 6th row of Pascal's triangle. We wrote that down in 81, so I don't need to write that down again. I'm going to be using these four then, these four as my coefficients. Those are going to be going along with the first four terms. So 1, 6, 15, and 20. And so here, remember from before we talked about things like this would be 1, what were the numbers again? I just forgot. 6, 15, and 20. There we go. So one of the coefficients, or the first coefficient, will be a 1. I'm going to leave a blank space. Notice a plus sign in between. That means I can just add all these together. It's not going to go back and forth between positive and negative. So 1, 6, and something will go in here. A 15, and something will go in here, and a 20. Let me just double check that one more time. I think I got those down. Yep, 1, 6, 15, and 20 are the correct coefficients. What goes inside here? Well, it's always going to be this first term to this power to start. So 1 to the 6th power, and then 2x to the 0 power. We can think of it like that. From there, take the same terms, write them again, but increase this power by 1, decrease this power by 1. So this would be the 5th and to the 1st. Same things here, but now to the 4th and to the 2nd. And finally, for the first four terms, again, not doing all 7 here. There's actually 7. We're just getting the first 4. We're doing 1 to the 3rd and 2x also to the 3rd now. So this would equal, this would be the same thing as 1 times, this would be 1, this would be 1, something to the 0 power, still 1. Over here we'd have 6 times 1 times 2x to the first is just 2x. This would be 15. You know what, I don't feel like I need to write that in there. That's not really necessary. We can do this in one step here, because this is always just going to be 1 here, 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 1 to any power, still going to be 1. So this is just 2x. Here we'd have 15 times, okay, 1, whatever, 1, you're gone. And then 2x squared is 2 times 2 times x, that's 4x squared. We'll have that plus 20 times, that's 1 again. This is 2 cubed times x cubed. In other words, 8x cubed. So we can multiply 6 by 2, 15 by 4, and 20 by 8, and 1 by 1 to get this as our final answer. 1 plus 12x plus 60x to the 2nd, x squared, plus 160x cubed. Looks like that matches up, my friends, with choice D.